Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another exciting vintage Coach small leather good to share with you today. So this is the pin case, style number 4572, and I believe it was likely made sometime in the 90s. So as the name suggests, it's a little pin case. It opens like this, and then you can fit a pin inside. Obviously, I think it can fit up to 3 writing utensils, pins, or pencils, and then you just close it like that. This pin isn't included with it or anything. It's not a Coach pin. It's just a pin that I had on my desk. It didn't come with any Coach pins as far as I know. At least this one didn't when I got it. But I'll go ahead and show you more of the case itself. So here's the front. Here's what the sides look like, and then here's the back. And then when we open it up, it does have the Coach cartouche stamped right there, as you can see. So yeah, that's the case. There's not a lot to it, but it's a great little case that you could put inside your bag to carry your pens and pencils. It's a great option if you want to make sure that your pens don't mark the inside of your bag. So yeah, I was excited to find it and bring it into the shop. So it is now available in our Etsy shop if you wanted to check it out. So I will leave a link below that goes to the Etsy shop in this listing. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.